Hi, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to P Square Institute. My name is Parshuram. Today we are standing here to explain some words about the reproduction in animals. Now we will know the word of reproduction. What is reproduction? The production of new organisms is called as reproduction. Now my friend Siddharth will explain about male and female reproductive system.
My name is Siddharth. Today I am going to speak some words on female and male reproductive system. First, let's see about what are the topics covered in this chapter. First, male reproductive system, female reproductive system, sperm, fertilization, and development of embryo. These two is covered by me and these three is covered by my friend Parshuram. Now, let's discuss about female reproductive system. This is the diagram of female reproductive system. Oviduct. Oviduct is also called as fallopian tube. This is funnel of oviduct and this is ovary, and this is inner lining and this is muscular wall of uterus, and this is cervix, which is neck of uterus, and this is vagina and this is opening of vagina. Let us discuss about female reproductive system. It consists of ovaries, oviduct and uterus, as we seen in the diagram, and the oviduct is also called as fallopian tube, I told, and a female has two ovaries and each ovaries produces female sex cells or gametes called eggs, and one matured egg is released into the oviduct every month by one of the ovaries, and the fertilization of the egg by sperm takes place in the oviduct. Both the oviduct is connected to the bag-like structure called uterus, and the development and the growth of a fertilized egg into a baby take place in the uterus, and the like sperm, egg is also a single cell with cytoplasm and nucleus. Let us discuss about male reproductive system. This is diagram of male reproductive system. We will discuss about what are the main things only. This is ureter and this is urinary bladder, and this is glans penis, and this is foreskin, this is penis, and this is testicular lobules. And the male reproductive system is consist of sperm duct and testis and penis. The testis produces male sex cells or gametes. The gametes are called sperms. The millions of sperms are produced in the testis. Now my friend Parshuram will tell about sperm fertilization and development.
Sperm is a very small in size and it is only visible in the microscope. Each sperm is in a single cell which consists of nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane. A sperm has tail, middle piece and head. Now we will look out of the diagram. This is sperm, this is plasma membrane, and this is nucleus, and this is neck, this is middle piece as we discussed in the sperm, and this is tail, and this all are mitochondria. This is the energy source of sperm for swimming. Now we will discuss about the fertilization. What is fertilization? The fusion of male and female gamete is called as fertilization. The fertilization is the first process in the reproduction. During the process, the nuclei of sperm and egg fuse form a single nucleus. The egg and the sperm mix up, it forms the zygote. Now we will discuss about development of embryo. First we will look out of the diagram. This is ovum. This is the nucleus of the ovum. This is sperm has been looked. This is mitochondria and this is midpiece and nucleus, acrosome. This is the nucleus, the cytoplasm. Now we will discuss about the development of embryo. How the development of embryo takes place. As we know in the fertilization, the zygote is formed by egg and sperm mix up, and now the formation of zygote to embryo occurs. Now let us know about the two types of fertilization. They are external fertilization, internal fertilization. The fertilization which takes place inside our body is called as internal fertilization. And now we will know about external fertilization. What is external fertilization? The fertilization which takes place in the out of the body is called as external fertilization.
If you understood the topic, like, share and subscribe the video. And if you have any doubts, tell in the comment box. Thank you.
Thank you.